and welcome, of course, to the world of equality, where person A has tantamount privileges as to person B upon making any decision. How does this work? Blockchain. So, we're going to be talking about blockchain technology for today lesson. What is a blockchain? Blockchain is simply a technology. Points to note before we commence. Blockchain is not a programming language. Blockchain is not the same as Bitcoin. Blockchain is not a cryptocurrency either. Neither is it an application for cryptocurrency. So, what is it? Blockchain is the name of a technology. As the name states, blockchain is basically a chain of blocks. A chain of blocks. Blocks contain digital information. Imagine them as boxes of data tied up and reliant on each other as a chain, like wagons in a train. So they are just boxes, different boxes tied up together and reliant on each other, forming a chain. Blockchain is the next generation of the internet as we know it. What does this mean? For the past few decades, we have been living in the internet for information, sending emails to friends and families, sending Excel reports to bosses, even having video chats with recipients. All these data are being transmitted as copies. You know, why doing a video chat? I am not actually sending you my face. No, am I sending you the only copy of the message electronically? The traditional internet always creates a duplicate of what you send in order for it to be transmitted. Now, what if we want to send financial assets like money, energy, intellectual property, or whatnot, with no help from a third party? What if we want to send money? Interesting, really. Why is it so special? Why is blockchain technology so special? It's a technology that has many applications and holds vast promises for every business, society, and students taking this course. It has a decentralized system that works by removing the need for intermediaries or third parties. It has an immutable nature. Immutability of a blockchain means that anyone's written data on the blockchain is unchanged. To understand it, let's take sending emails as an example. Since you send an email to a group of people, you can't take it back. Thus, you will have to ask all of them to delete your email, which has been or which can be quite complicated, extremely difficult. is fast as well. Blockchain is fast. When people refer to blockchain as fast, they're typically comparing a system that uses blockchain to a system that does not. It takes seconds for an email to go around the world, but it can take several weeks for money to move across the city through banking system. Of course, reliability. It is 100% guaranteed to execute your order. Blockchain is equally secured, like super safe. First, the data is cryptographically stored inside it. Second, its security grows as days go by. The more endorsement, the more it's secured. The more people endorse it, the more it becomes secured more and more. So, as a result, blockchain is very secure. As a matter of fact, there is no single point of entry for hackers. The blockchain is transparent, so one can track the data if they want to. By allowing by allowing digital information to be distributed but not copied, blockchain technology created the backbone of a new type of internet. I'd like to brief you a little on its invention, how it has been evolving. The existence of the Enigma machine brought about an algorithm which splits encrypted keys into a pair, a private key and a public key. And of course, that was in the 70s. Then came the boosting of the security, performance, and efficiency to the cryptography concept that was, of course, in the 90s. As of 2008, the Bitcoin white paper was released, a peer to peer electronic cash system. That's the Bitcoin white paper. It's a peer to peer electronic cash system. Blockchain was the technology that supported the invention of this coin. How? Well, each time a transaction is being made, or rather, the transaction was made, like in the past, it was bundled up together with other transactions and stored in a block. So one transaction made, another transaction made, another transaction, they were bundled up together and formed a block. This block was then placed on a chain which couldn't be altered. And in just a few years after that, Bitcoin white paper was released. People began to realize that blockchain could have a life outside the cryptocurrency, with the reality of blockchain having the potentials for more than just recorded transactions. The Ethereum was born in 2015. Ethereum is used to build smart contracts that process automatically. That's how fast the blockchain technology now evolves. The blockchain technology, in a radical way, is challenging the financial sector. The transmission of messages from person A to B, maintaining trust between parties, and whatnot. The technology is likely to have the greatest impact on the next few decades. It's not social media or even artificial intelligence. It's the underlying technology in all cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, and it's called blockchain. Even Microsoft CEO or co-founder Bill Gates, the Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates quoted that Bitcoin is better than currency, and that flat currency can be inconvenient, especially when it comes to large transactions. Okay, thank you so much for taking my class. It was great having you today, and of course, sharing with you the information, and hoping to see you again and have a nice day. Of course, stay audacious.